welcome back guys. So here we are again. We're sorting the locomotive things. So we're gonna get some so we need some rattler to tighten up the nuts, the bolts, anything like that. So oops, let's head off. Let's follow the leader. The leader, the ding ding. So that's my little tractor. Okay, see you down there. So okay guys, we are here. So what we're gonna do is instruction. So this bar we're going to put down here, laying down there, and then we need to bolt this one under here or somewhere here, yeah, that big bar. Where's that? This one. So I don't know if I can film it, but this is how we do what we're doing today. This is grease. This looks like chitty, and the Spaniard. We got some mallet and a big mason. So yeah, this weigh like almost 200 kilos or maybe more. That's why we need the excavator to lift it and reposition it, so it will lay flat, just like this one. We need to lay it flat here. Same thing with this one here. Okay, so the boss is here and he'll get cranky again. The cranky boss. Okay, bear with my video. It's a bit shaky and I don't know. And shout out sa lahat. Shout out ng marami. Okay, let the battle begin. Come over more. Okay, let's loop it around so you can loop. You can lift it. Okay, I need to get out here before I die. Before I die soon. So you need me for the video. Okay, there we go. Oops. I don't really know how this goes, you know. I'm just doing a little bit of what you call this, thinking. Even I don't have a thinking mind. So we need to push the other one right over so it will fit inside of this groove. Not good. It's very, very stiff. It doesn't move. Full of gunk. Maybe not gunk. It's just sees. It sees.
You might
because for how many years it didn't go somewhere. It's just laying here. So we need to put grease in there so this one will swivel just like the other one. But for now, I don't know what we're gonna do.
Okay, what we're gonna do.
Okay.
Lift this shaft up and take it home with us.
Take it home. Okay, take it home. Postpone. So we're gonna put 2 chain here and there.
Yep.
Okay. Okay. So there you go. All right. Let's remove the other one first.
Yeah, one there, one here. Okay.
Okay. So in next video we're going to show you this one, so it won't be so long. You can still watch it.
And then you can take those two and put them in the trailer.
Yeah. Okay. Ding ding. Ding bat. What 2? That's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 ka dyan. Let's do this one first here.
Actually, what will happen if we have to get up through those eyes?
This side? It's too long.
Actually, go around between the eyes.
Around between the eye. Okay. Okay. You're right. Okay.
Put it on that side up. No, yeah, just put it around there. Yeah.
Okay. It's moving. Alright, we're gonna bring this one up so we can loosen off the end, that end, so we can easily fit in here inside of this frame, Loco frame.
That's why the frame has got a cutout, a U shape in the bottom, cut out.
Okay.
Did you notice in the bottom of the frame, over there in the bottom of the frame, it's got a U shape?
Yeah.
Well, that's where this goes, and then you put it down, or come from the outside down and up, and then you put the 3 bolts. See? There's 3 bolts.
Okay, we'll figure it out.
Only trouble is this one here has been it's been repaired. I took it in and got it repaired. It cost me $400, I think. That was like 30 years ago. But it's it was built up because it was wore down. It was built up and machined down, squeezed, which means we can't get it in the right position. So what it'll do, I'll let that soak. I've got that on, bud. I'll let this soak. I might bring the oxy out later. Heat that up.
Okay.
Then free it up. And but it takes time, so we'll just go and relax now, because that's the sort of people we are. Relaxing people. Ding ding.
Ding bat.
Ding bat. Yeah, that too. Oh, dong dong.
Dong dong was.